All right, so anyway, you can buy the GoPro cameras, but they're extremely expensive. You know, like $300. This thing right here you can get for about 30 bucks. And I don't know if it's a 4K or not, but it works pretty simple. What's cool about this thing is it works on an SD card, and that's where you plug it in to charge it right there. But the price of it's very cheap, and it really works well. So the way you turn it on is you got to press this and hold it. And take a look at this. This is the nice thing about this. It has this huge screen on the back, and it tells you that you've got to charge, and it just, you know, you can see everything. Look, bam, and that's pretty much it. Now, I've got it set. If you look, let's see if you can see it. I've got it set at 1080, 60 frames per second because I'm doing sports. So I got it a little bit faster. You can set it to 30 in the settings. And the way you turn it on is all you do is you just press the top like this. And it's telling you right now that I don't have a TF card in there, so I got to put one in. But that's how you turn it on. So I'm going to go ahead and put a card in so that you can see. Now to put the card in, you come to this little slot here, but you have to put the card gold facing up. And then you just slide it in like this, and you got to kind of push it in there to get it in. I'm going to use this other card to do it. That's the one thing I don't like about this. It's hard to get the card in, but we got it in there. Right now I'm going to show you how to hook it up to a case. Right, so it comes with this case here, and I've got it set so I can put it on my surfboard. And this little thing, once I put it on the surfboard, I push this in here, and that kind of keeps it from separating from the board itself. But I'm going to take that off for just a second now. I just want to show you how it works. So this is already open, so it's just like that. And so what you're going to do is, I'm going to turn it off first. The way you turn it off is you just hold it, you got to hold it, and it'll just go off. Bam. What you do to get it into the case, you just slide it in. Make sure that you got your lens in the right spot. Then you're just going to close it up, and you can see it's got this rubber around it, and that makes it waterproof. Catch it there and then pop it. Bam, it's ready to go. Now, if you want to turn it on, you got a little button in front. So what we're going to do is we're going to push that button down and hold it. You can see that light coming on, and bam, there it is. Now, once I've attached it to my surfboard, all I do is press this top button, and you're going to see it's just going to, bam, you see the bottom there? It's counting down. That it's recording right now. And that's pretty much how you use it. Now you want to turn it off, you hit that. It turns it off, it goes back to mode. I have it set on video because I'm doing mostly video, but you could set it on pictures, and you could have it take a picture every second. You could have it take, you know, a picture every 5 seconds. You know, it's up to you. You could do time lapse with it. So that's pretty much how it works. Now, if you want to turn it off, this is my set page or my home page. And every time I turn it on and off, it goes right to that. So to turn it off, you just press hard in the front. Oh, if I do that, it changes. Look, see, it's changing different things. It's going to different modes. There's settings. And we're back to there. Now to turn it off, you got to hold it. And you see it blinks, and then it goes away. And that's it. And that's how you use it in the case. It also has these little things here that if you go into settings and you need to change the settings, you can use these while it's in the case. But I usually take it out of the case and do that because it's easier for me to you know, set it. You know, once I'm going to go out and use this thing, I set it to where I want it, which is video at 60 frames per second, and then I just click that and let it run. And then when I get home, I've got like an hour's worth of video because the battery lasts about that long. And this thing, as far as I'm concerned, for the price, you can get 10 of these compared to one GoPro. So it's definitely worth it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.